All right, today we're going to take a look at another Zippo that just arrived. Okay, this one came in the normal black box and it says Stacked Skulls. And below it you can see another representation of Big Brother. It's the California cancer warning. Now, California is 2,500 miles away from Bradford, PA, but they still want to tell them what to do. Okay, so here's the Zippo, and it is on an orange matte background. It's 4 skulls. It's pretty cool. It's got the Zippo logo. It's orange all around, and this one was made in, looks like E of 18. Really good stampings on this. That would be May of 18, so that's a year ago. Really good sound. Steel insert. Lights up nice. Now Zippo makes many skull designs. One of my favorite is the Dia de los Muertos design. And this was made in, looks like F of 2011. It's one of the favorites of my collection. And like I said, they make lots and lots of skulls. Let's do a drop test on the stacked skulls. A lit drop test. Well, it bounces nice. Let's try it again. Okay, so it passed the second drop test nicely. That is the Stacked Skulls Zippo in a matte orange finish. It's a good one. That will go in my collection, and since it's made in the USA, definitely needs a little more cowbell. Knuckle bomb.